What's going on? It's Rashawn McGuire for the Facebook Buy 9 to 5 group. I'm going to give a special shout out to Jordan Mackey. Jordan, I thank you, brother. I bought 2 courses, the YouTube Master Course and Affiliate Marketing Program course. After I bought those, it changed my life. I no longer work a 9 to 5. I work from home full time. I have multiple channels and I'm making money in affiliate marketing. And just a life changer, man. Over a year ago, I came across your course. I mean, you changed my life, brother. Also, I'd like to thank the Facebook Buy 9 to 5 group, all the engagement. Sometimes I just hit roadblocks. As soon as I go in, it's somebody helping you, somebody helping you. You just never seen that before. And most importantly, the best part of this Buy 9 to 5 is that if I bought a course a year ago, instead of Jordan taking the new ideas that YouTube changes with the algorithm and its new ways to make videos or they changing, Jordan will update that course that you purchased a year ago and just give you golden nuggets. I mean, that's just like insane. This man basically giving away a genius program for dirt cheap. He's basically teaching you how to make money for free. And I appreciate you, Jordan. I wish you much, much success. I wish my team, Buy 9 to 5 group, much success. And let's keep it going, man. Let's help the people after us, brother. Thank you.